Hey everyone. So I'm finding myself frustrated with rhythm practice, with the lack of a recognizable melody, with the repetition. So tonight I decided I'd like to play a song that I'm familiar with. Only Happy When It Rains by Garbage. This is a song I've listened to 1,000 times. The idea is to just get those endorphins flowing again. The nice thing about playing a song you're familiar with is you probably already feel the rhythm and you don't have to work quite so hard to pick it out. So that was a little bit rough. Let me keep going. Thanks for watching and keep practicing.